What is up, everyone? Ryan Lane with Lane's Barbecue, and today we are going to do some chicken wings seasoned up with our Nashville hot seasoning. But before we get there, we're going to brine them. We're actually going to use our signature brine, that brine you've come to know and love, that pop of like the apple cider vinegar in there. This time we're going to kick it up a little bit. We're going to add some pickle juice to the brine. So we're going to get these wings kicked off. We've got about 8 cups of water. A half a cup of our signature brine. That's stirred up. Go with about a half a cup of pickle juice. This smells incredible already. All right, we're gonna get these wings in here. The goal, really, you want to kind of brine them for at least, the wings, probably I'd say 12 to 16 hours in the fridge. But then what you want to do is, because they have this skin on them and they're soaking up all that liquid, you want to be able to put them in the fridge uncovered for about another 12 hours so it dries out that skin. All right, here we go. This lid on. See in just a bit. All right, guys, wings have brined. We've let them dry. Now it's time to season. Also, if you haven't checked out on our website, we've got these wing kits. I think there's like 4 or 5 different options you get with different sauces, but they come with 3 seasonings, 2 sauces. Today, we're going with our Nashville hot seasoning. So remember, we've brined them in our signature brine, along with with that pickle juice that we added in there. I'm telling you, the smell is incredible. We also went ahead and did some chicken thighs too, just for the crew to snack on, know what I'm saying? All right, so once these are seasoned up, we're gonna get them on the grill, and we'll be eating soon. See you in a bit. All right, we got the grill up to temp. That cherry wood has got this backyard smelling so good. We're gonna go ahead and get these wings on. We've got them seasoned up. We're gonna go skin side down, start. All right, wings are about up to temp, running around 190, 194 right now in that range. What we're gonna do is make a little sauce to toss them in, put them back on. We really want them to get to like 198, 200 for wings. I love them when they're not overcooked. They're perfect. All right. So, best of both worlds. We got a little spicy, little, I guess, savory. So we're gonna go white sauce in here. Might help that Nashville hot, super spicy. A little one-legged chicken. All right, come with us. We're gonna toss them real quick. Couple more minutes, let that sauce cook in a bit, build up a little bit more crust. It's go time. All right, well, we've got the wings on that have been brined in our signature brine plus pickle juice. We thought, how can we kind of incorporate more of those flavors? So just got a bag of just like shredded cabbage blend. We diced up some dill pickles. We're gonna add that in there. And then our binder is gonna be our sort of white sauce. Put that in there. A little mixy mix. We're gonna add a little bit more of our Nashville hot seasoning. So we got the Nashville hot. A good mix. let it kind of sit while those wings are getting finished. All right, we got those signature and pickle brine wings done. Seasoned them with our Nashville hot seasoning. Tossed them in a little mix of one-legged chicken and sort of white sauce. Got beautiful color on these. If you're a sissy like me, we've got a side of our Nashville hot slaw, just kind of cool it down. And then I'm gonna take a little white sauce and add it to the top. Bad boys are hot. All right. Here we go. Once again, you a wingy or a drummy kind of guy? I'm just going for what's up top because it might be cooler than the others. All right, here we go. Cheers. It's been fun. See you soon.